What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be recommending my 3 personal favourite under $15 fragrances. But before I get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red subscribe button down below. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because that helps me out immensely too. Before I talk about the fragrances, I just wanted to let you guys know that I went op shopping yesterday, and to all you Americans out there and everyone else that doesn't actually refer to it as op shopping, it's just thrift shopping, and I found a brand new tripod for $10 Australian, and I used it in my last video and I'm using it today. And yeah, for 10 bucks Australian for a brand new tripod of like a brand that I actually recognize. I can't believe my luck. I don't know, the universe has been smiling on me lately, and yeah, I'm just really thankful that I managed to find an incredible tripod for only $10 Australian. Okay, back to the fragrances. The first thing I want to mention is that this is by no means an exhaustive list. There are many good $15 fragrances out there. The best amongst them being Nike Man Blue. However, I'm not going to be recommending this scent because until Nike actually start releasing more bottles of this, making more of them readily available, I will no longer be recommending it. I've had too many of you beautiful people out there tell me that you can't find this anywhere. So until Nike actually lifts their game and starts releasing more Nike Man Blue, I will no longer be recommending it. So this has been struck from the list. I will no longer be recommending this. I know that's going to be blasphemy to some of you, but trust me, I've got your best interests in mind here. Nike really needs to lift their game. So, my personal favourite $15 and under fragrance right now is Nordica Classic. This smells exactly like clean clothes. There's some citrus, there's some florals, it's aromatic, it's some clean musk, some woods, but really, you can ignore the note breakdown for this one. It just smells like fresh, clean clothes, and in my opinion, that is the best fragrance there is. It's incredible. It smells so good. I can't get enough of this one. I'm wearing it right now. It's a great fragrance for the money. One thing I will comment on is that you only get about 6 hours of performance from it, but for $15 it's totally forgivable, and you can just carry it with you and keep spraying it throughout the day. It's that good. The next fragrance I'm going to be recommending is Tobac Craftsman. This regularly goes on sale at Priceline for $15 Australian. At that price, I highly recommend it. Even if you have to pay like $20, $25 at Chemist Warehouse or on eBay, I would still recommend it for that price. But to fit into this list, I've got to recommend the sale price at Priceline. And yeah, this smells like amber, lavender, and there's a nice subtle smokiness to it as well. It smells like a good cross between Versace Dylan Blue and Dior's Sauvage. Performance is incredible. It's a 12-hour plus scent, but it will stink out a room, so be careful how many times you spray this one. I wouldn't recommend more than 2 sprays. It's very potent. And lastly, Adidas Champions. The Eau de Toilette is just a fresher version of Paco Rabanne's Invictus. This is going to pull you massive compliments, and it's super versatile as well. I'm actually going to spray this one. Atomizer isn't fantastic, but it smells incredible. Unfortunately, my camera ran out of battery before I could finish my thoughts. Champions only costs $12 at Chemist Warehouse, and the Eau de Parfum costs $15. Both of those I highly recommend as they're very affordable and they smell great as well. The Eau de Parfum has a really nice iris note, so if you like iris, definitely check that one out. So if you've ever worn any of these fragrances before, let me know in the comments below. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.